Hello everyone, is my audio and video clear? Please quickly type AVC. We'll start. Today we have so many things to cover. Please type AVC if you can see me and hear me, then I'll start. Okay? Yes? Can you hear me? Yeah, thank you. That's cool. So let me quickly start. I hope you all are aware of the agenda today. Okay, so today we are going to talk about how to last week we talked about how to create the channel and all, and today we are going to talk about content SEO. Now, before I get into the SEO part, I want to show you a few things, or I want to make you think some logical parts of it. Number one, my first question would be, is there any doubt that whenever we open normal YouTube with any of the email IDs, whatever you feel like, this page is called the home page, yeah? Does it go empty? Ever have you seen there is nothing I have typed as of yet on the search console, but still is the home page empty? Have you ever seen the home page to be empty? Yes or no?
No,
No. Now, why? And my second question, if that is the case, then why only these few videos are coming? If I switch to this is all. If I switch to news, only news videos would be coming. If I go to music, only music videos would be coming. Now, my question to all of you would be, why only these videos? Do you think these are the only videos which are coming on my profile are same as yours? Is it?
no, it will be different.
No, definitely different. So each and every user of YouTube has a homepage which looks somewhat like this, and each and every individual's homepage shows different channels, different types of contents. Now my next question would be, what do you think? You must have been using YouTube since decades. What do you think that could be the reason why different users uh, homepage looks different, or different users on different users homepage different type of contents gets reflected? What can be the possible reason? Question
Uh,
can be the
okay, in this case, I think as per my observations, the reasons could be like it is depends on the person what he is looking search the content. Let's say, for example, if I am looking for mostly the recent news which is about the war, so
Hmm?
then my homepage will be always whenever I'm opening the channel, I mean YouTube channel, so
Mm-hmm.
it will be majority of the content will cover with that news only,
Yeah. So
irrespective of the corner.
that means you are trying to say that according to my past search, whatever I have searched in past few days or few weeks, according to that, the dashboard or the home page will reflect the videos, right? That's what you're trying to mean, right? Yep,
Yes,
right.
yes.
So that is actually one of the reasons, major reasons. This is called user history. See, whoever is logging into World Wide Web for any reason, as long as you are logged into World Wide Web and you are searching for something, regardless to YouTube, uh, Google Chrome, anywhere else, even in your online stores, also Amazon, Flipkart, Walmart, right? We have so many online stores, quick marts. As long as you're doing something on online, those data gets somewhere um, monitored. Hmm. So this is called user behavior. Okay. Second is, whatever you search more than 3 to 4 times in past 3 days, particularly past 3 days, becomes users' interest. Hmm? So one is user's behavior, which is very long time aspect, like maybe past 6 months, whatever you must have been searching, whichever websites you were hovering, you were spending time, whichever content you have been watching, that builds a behavior or a watch history, right? Or
Yes.
watch history or search history, whatever is the mode, the trigger point. Whether it is watching something, then it will develop a watch history for you. For me, same way, it will be my watch history. For any XYZ person, it will be their watch history. Number one, search. If you have searched something anywhere all across World Wide Web, any, regardless to any software, that becomes your search history. Third is your interest, right? You have purchased something online, or you have booked something online, becomes your interest or preference. Now, all these comprised together, AI, artificial intelligence, for each and every individual ID, your identity is your ID, right? Your email ID, to be very frank, right? That is you online, right? So each and every email ID makes a history, makes a persona that keeps on changing as per your search, as per your
Okay.
purchases, as per your activities online. This is not only YouTube, this is any software. You check now today, let's say you have never checked about diamond jewelries. Just taste. You suddenly start checking about, purposely you check diamond jewelries on Amazon, you go to Tanishq's online store or some diamond stores, you in Google browser you search diamond jewelries. Okay, just for sake of saying, in last 5 years maybe you have not checked that. Okay, you will see in Facebook, in Instagram, in LinkedIn, in whichever part you are, even in Facebook, YouTube also, you will say diamond related, jewelry related contents. This
Yes.
happens because of these reasons. Because your ID, the email ID, becomes you online, your persona online. Now, why am I saying these things to you? To make you understand how your video also would be coming to the front page of YouTube, right? So,
Correct.
there is no doubt that if your video comprises, in which format it will comprise, that I'm coming in SEO part, in other parts, but if your video, your content, right, whether it is a text content or it is by words, by your voice, or it is by visuals, by image, by post, whatever format it is, if your content reflects some topics which are being very much searched, your video will get higher chance to get clicked or to be appearing in maximum number of people's page.
Okay.
No doubt about it. Therefore, no matter which topic, you're not necessarily, you will have to switch from one niche to another as per the trend changes. No, trends are again category basis. Trends are again like, for example, I would like to bring one analogy here. If you think that you are pursuing MBBS doctor, right? You want to become a doctor, let's say, right? MBBS is a basic thing. Now you may think that, okay, I have completed MBBS, my logic is maximum number of people would be falling sick by viral fever, influenza, stomach infections, all those type of thing, which I can cure. I'm a general physician, right? I'm a general physician, so my logic wise I should be earning more. Now uh, Miss Binal, Martuza Binal, Miss Binal thinks that she is also an MBBS, but she thinks, no, I want to go for a specialized part. Maybe I am more interested in heart, so I will become a surgeon, a specialist for heart. Now you might be laughing and seeing such a fool person. I will be getting more patience than her, because how many people would be having heart issues and how many people would be having influenza? How many times one person can get heart attack in their life when they will have to rush to Miss Binal, and how many times that same person must have gone through some viral infections and must be coming to my chamber? Logic? Now tell me in other way, who earns more, an MBBS or a heart surgeon? Who earns more? Say, who earns more?
Yeah, obviously that makes sense.
Specialists. This is why we say there are channels, khichdi channels. Everything is there. They earn less profit for the
Yeah, but
same.
here my question, Poulami, see,
Yes.
let's say, whatever you said, it is correct to understanding that. But you know how that algorithm is working in the YouTube, like see, I have uploaded to, let's say, one or two videos. I don't have subscribers, for example,
Hmm.
but I don't know whether it is visible into others, the dashboard or whenever they're
That is
because
the subject
we
today.
that
That
is
is the subject. How will you do it? That is the subject today. Content research, and any video will not be in search, right? So two videos, which on which topic, on which data it is there, it is reflecting, that is where your video will come into scene. And you will have to understand, after this I'll be showing where exactly the videos are featured on YouTube. Okay, so by end of today's session all these questions will be answered. Give me just another one at a time. Okay, so that is for sure, we will have to choose one niche, but broader is the niche, better for us. Like, let's suppose if I talk about my niche, I have expertise on graphic designing, artificial intelligence, filmmaking by artificial intelligence, content creation, faces content creation, 3D pixel, 3D animation. I do video editing, right? So many things. I do social media optimization. I do, and I do YouTube monetization. So many subjects I have. Now, if I consider that, in fact, I did that mistake, any new person might do this mistake. I initial first few months, whatever was the reason, I was focusing only on Canva because I was a canvasser. I got that thing, so I thought I should be only ethical to Canva and I should be only creating content on Canva, and I was struggling like hell. Because how many people would be understanding Canva, would be liking to do graphic designing only by Canva? There are so many other softwares, right? So right after that, I analyzed and I understood that it is the main reason why my channel is not getting enough view, right? So I started diversifying amongst the related softwares, amongst the related niche. I diversified to video editing software, I diversified to other different software, then I diversified to AI. Now I have diversified to filmmaking. So when and how the things were progressing, I have diversified and stretched my wings, and I got my channel monetized, right?
so the
So that's what I'm
diversification
saying.
is
Let me just complete, then
the,
I'll take all of your questions, please. Okay. So I'm saying you should be having a broader niche. Hmm? Niche should be little broader in nature. It's not that only cloud computing I'll be showing. Think about who a person who can know about cloud computing. Do they need anything else in AI, which is very trending topic? Can they be interested in agentic automation as well? Can they be interested in data processing as well? Can they be interested for maybe full stack development as well? Then bring them together, because these are all technical things. If you are talking about, thinking about, I will be training people on only mathematics, right? Only mathematics, class 11, 12 mathematics. Then you think that why only 11, 12 mathematics? Can I do it from 8? Can I do it from IIT? Okay, or can I do it for me for UPSC preparation as well? You're getting my point, right? So take a broader aspect and then sub niche, which we call as playlist, should be diversified. Okay. With that being said, now let us go to the second point that Vishwa Saras was saying. Last week also I have told you about, did I tell you about content research? Please remind me once.
Uh,
Content research
yeah.
Excel I shown last week.
Yes, I was not there in the session, but after the recording, I went. I
I
have
shown,
noted
right?
my channels. Yes.
Yes. So you
I
will
mean,
have
is
to
that
basically, how will you get it? Now you can seek help from any LLM like Gemini, Claude, or maybe this thing, GPT. Okay. You can pick 10 channels, and you can check that in past 6 to 8 months or 1 year time, whatever content was published in that channel and got maximum view, you should be targeting first those contents, because a content which has got 3 to 4 lakhs view or 1 million view in past 1 year definitely is in search automatically. Those terms, those words, if those are present in your metadata title and description, definitely those many people's dashboard would be getting your, there is a high chance that your video also will be coming, because newer video within 7 days, if a video is published within 7 days, that video is pushed maximum even higher than the older videos, no matter how big, how great the content is or how much view is there. Unless and until that is a sponsored video, your competition is not there with the sponsored video. If it is not, then your video will be coming before even this 1 million video, 1 million views video. Okay. Second, if one video has got 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 lakh, 1 million view, then there is no doubt that these many people must have searched it in multiple places. Maybe some searches has happened in browser, some searches has happened in Google Search Console, some people must have searched on YouTube, maybe somewhere else, right? So these terms are trending. So those terms has to be there. So your topic and the meta tags has to match again. Otherwise, you will get a guideline strike. You are talking about maybe you're talking about politics and you're giving the tags of war to attract people. This is called clickbait. You can give that in thumbnail, in title, in description. You will get a copyright strike. So we cannot do anything like this. So you'll have to create the contents which are already in trend. First 30 contents should always be whichever is in trend in your niche. Now, why do we in the very early stage, we ask, sir also advises, I also ask all of you to do this research, because you will also have to consider that whatever niche you have chosen, does it at all have any trend in YouTube as of now? If you do not find enough contents or enough views or enough channels, then you will have to shift your niche, because at least for YouTube monetization, if you're considering, that niche is not flying on YouTube, is not being searched on YouTube. And YouTube being a search engine, your content, if it is only searched, called upon, then only YouTube has an option to push your content. It does not fly, it is not a push in method which is there in Facebook or Instagram. It is pull in method, meaning if somebody is pulling your content, somebody is searching for your kind of content, and your content is also having those elements, one or two keywords are matching, only then algorithm will pick your content up. So if you're finding very less number of people are actually dealing with that niche and very low number of views are coming, that means that is not a right niche for you to start your first channel, because you would be starting your first channel to monetize it for sure, right? So that you can do later. Once you have certain number of subscribers, one channel can be tagged with another channel, because we are creating branded channel. We are allowed to create 50 channels from one email ID, and under one channel the other aligned channels will be shown as well. So you can pull these people to that channel, that channel as well. If they're interested, they will subscribe to your next channel, isn't it? So This is very important. Now let us understand where does how to do SEO, and then again I will share you where exactly the video gets featured. First is go to YouTube Studio. Hmm? Go to YouTube Studio. Now, what are the different types of videos which you should be uploading? From create option, this is the only place from where you should be uploading. Now, from here, you should be uploading long form content, meaning any content which is 3 minutes or more length duration, and 16:9. This is the ratio which should be considered as long form content. Hmm. So if that is so, then this should be uploaded from here. If your content is short form content, right, 9:16, then it should be uploaded from YouTube app from your mobile. These shorts, whichever I have uploaded, are majorly from my mobile, and you will get very high views as well. Although we do not suggest you to rely on short form video, because your business, again I'm telling you, is lying on video, long form videos. Okay, so kindly upload more and more long form videos. Okay, so from create, you'll have to go to create and you'll have to go to upload. Now I'll open another channel, a dummy channel, to show you how to do that. Let me just switch it. Then I will come to this channel to show you where exactly these videos gets featured. Okay, this Hindi channel, let me open. 1 second. Let's say this is one of the channels. Now I will go to create option and I'll go to upload video. Which type of video am I uploading? Long form content. Correct? So let me take a small dummy video, just a second. 1 second. Arey Baba. No, little long video. Let's say this is my content. Okay. Now, first thing after, while it is getting uploaded, first thing which you should be doing is title. Now, as our process is expected to be starting from our content research, right? We are not supposed to create any random content. At least that will not yield you any result. You will have to first 30 to 50 contents. In fact, in my career, first 70 contents were trending content, and most of the time, till date, I have created mostly trending contents only. Okay, I do not create till date. I do not create like unless and until those are sponsored topics, like brands have paid me for that. I do not go like beyond the trend. So if that is true, then I must be having a guiding video. Content research. I must be having one video which I have recreated. Correct? Now let's say that video is this one. So I will open it in a new tab. Let's say I'm copying this. Just taking a random example. So I'll open YouTube again here and then duplicate it. Okay. Just let it open. ChatGPT also you should be opening. It's taking a little long time. Let it open up. Huh. So, and let's say I I have that topic. You will have to check the same contents other versions as well, like what other creators have done with that similar content, because when we are doing this research we are very sure that what is the view and when was it published, right? We have views and published date. Why is it taking so long? I don't know. It's long, man.
Seems to be your network is not good. I'm
Yeah,
getting red mark here.
it's taking too long. That means network issue only. Let's say this is a video which I am considering 10 months ago. So open this.
Having sensitive skin? Totally okay.
Okay. Now here, if you open this, you have other related topics which are coming here as well, which are, you will see similarly. This is about belly fat, right? Reduce facial fat will be, meaning anything which has got fat into it or reduce into it, you will see those are here. Most of the topics are having, see, belly fat, here facial fat, here full body workout. Okay, so anything which these videos, now why these videos are featuring at the right hand side of this video? Because of three reasons. Number one, these videos title and description and tags. Okay, tags you cannot see here, but if you have TubeBuddy installed, that is a free extension. You can go to Google and type TubeBuddy. Chrome extension or whatever this thing you use, that you can install. So TubeBuddy Chrome extension for YouTube, you just need to open it and you need to install it to your email ID. Okay, now it is showing remove because I have already installed. Now that is not installed for this channel. That is the reason the tags are not shown here. I will show you in my main channel later. So let me finish this. So tags also you can get from here. Tags are only 2% to 5% important. Main importance is now, since AI, artificial intelligence, is already involved into algorithm, main thing is what your visuals are showing, what your audio is saying, and what your title and description comprises. As you can see in the description, they have added some more some more words like weight lose, weight loss, easy home workout. You will find that in these words some words are related to these topics as well, and that is the only reason why along with this video sorry, these videos are also coming. right? Out of that, how to is a very common word, which long tail keyword, which is ranking since a very long time in YouTube. How to, that is a category itself. How to videos, how to reduce fat, how to reduce facial fat, how to create full stack how to become a full stack developer, right? Anything with how to can get a very high reach. Okay, so as you can see here also in this video, they have written how to lose. In the title, they have not written how to, but in the video, they have written how to. That is why you see any how to video is coming. How to. You will see, just observe these things. How to. Okay, so if your video also comprises how to, or your video also somehow combines these kind of words, keywords, which are featuring in this video or some other videos as well, your video also will rank in the site. These are called featured YouTube featured videos, which are featuring at the right. In mobile, it goes at the bottom, right? So what are you supposed to do is, your video is uploaded. Let's say this is your long form video. So first things what you are supposed to do is, you need to copy 2 to 3 such topics. Copy that and let us open Google spreadsheet. New content SEO. First is put the title. Gather 3 to 4 titles, related titles. What is happening? So just copy 3 to 4 such titles. This is one title. Okay, you can open these 3 videos which are very very much related. Sorry.
Tried everything for dark spots except for what actually works? Introducing
So this is my second video. All these videos should be having very high views.
AI can now build a website in 90 seconds.
1 month, 5 lakh view. Okay, right? So this is my second title and this is my third title. These are related videos. These are coming to each other's right hand side and these are having high view. This is not a right video. This is a wrong video I have picked up. Let's say this one.
What would really happen?
So I have got 3 titles. Now same way you will have to copy 3 descriptions. Just copy the description. Description number 1. This one also same way you can take. If there are some topics which would not have any description, if they have, what is this? This is description number 2, description number 3. They have given some tags also. copy them. Okay. Now you have, when you chose this, okay, when you chose this, you must have picked up these topics, as these are relatable topic to your one, right? So now you should be going to ChatGPT. We'll be taking these 3 ideas. Now go to ChatGPT and say, I am creating, no, first in ChatGPT, give the GPT's job role. Consider, imagine you are a 15 years experienced YouTube SEO expert. Okay, now I want a SEO friendly title, not one. You should be getting 3 SEO friendly titles for this topic. Now here you would be giving all 3 topics. Okay. So you may give your topic, along with that you may add these as the references. So now make 3 best title so that I get 10% CTR. Because title is responsible for CTR only. So you can see they have given high CTR potential. So you are getting this. So you will have to simply copy this each one by one. And here you will have to, here actually this is not, okay, YouTube is not allowing 3 titles, those who are not monetized. Is it this? Okay. Okay, no problem. You can paste the title, one title only, but keep 2 more titles ready. So I have picked up 3 titles, right? So if this title doesn't work, in 48 hours, I would be able to understand. Ideally, for a subscribe, like, a monetized channel, you get the option to have 3 titles and 3 this thing.
Have you ever wondered?
3 titles and 3 thumbnails.
Indians don't have a money problem, they have a leakage problem. Let me show you with this terminology. Let's consider somebody is making 1 lakh rupees per month. How?
This is not about monetization. If your featured eligibility, featured eligibility is green, this one, then you should be getting 3 thumbnail option. Okay, and 3 title option. Okay, so here, as you can see, every video has got 3 title and 3 thumbnails. See, 3 titles. So if you are getting this A/B testing option in thumbnail, then very good. And most probably this channel I do not use, so I did not do the featured eligibility, I did not approve it, so it is not coming. But it should come for you. Therefore, 3 titles are ready. Just give 3 titles. If you cannot initially create 3 thumbnails, at least give 3 titles. Now, next is I have some description as reference. Give all those references. Full. No problem. No problem. Now, give me a natural SEO friendly description for my content so that I get maximum, not I, the content gets maximum visibility and impression. Okay. My channel is very new, so provide long tail keywords based description. Here, what is important? You may take this down. What is important? Natural SEO friendly, natural description, high visibility or impression, long tail keywords. These are important words you will have to use. Now send it and wait. Description, I need only one. Okay. Copy this. Read it definitely. Do not blindly copy and paste. Now comes meta tag. Now ask ChatGPT only provide, because meta tags, if these two parts are okay, then 90% chance is that you will be getting featured to the maximum possible places of YouTube, wherever it is possible. Why? Because we have kept no stone unturned. We have chosen the topic which has got highest view possible under my niche. I have shot the topic, my topic, whatever is being seen on visuals and whatever I am typing on text and description, there is no discrimination. There is no gap, right? Which might cause a problem for your channel, as I told you. So that is not the case. So we have no clickbait. Yet we have we have given ChatGPT the request that I have given you some references. That too I have picked up from related contents which has got maximum views. So ChatGPT understood what words has to be used. I have asked ChatGPT not to provide like this. These are illegal, now. The video is about, you cannot give like this. You cannot give like this. YouTube will give you guidelines type or copyright issues. This is not right. You cannot write keywords like this. To avoid this only, I have given the word, I have used the word as natural description. These are not natural descriptions. So I have given all the inputs, natural descriptions, long tail keywords. It should give me maximum impression. I've also informed GPT that I am having new channel that goes without say, that GPT understands that this channel doesn't have much of subscriber, neither it is having a very high impression by default. Doesn't have much of channel history. Why? What is the reason why I have used all those information here? Starting from here, that consider yourself to be a 15 years experienced YouTube SEO expert. All these have a reason. Every LLM, large language model, works on a logic. So the prompts which has got, if you give the prompts the way we type in search console, in your YouTube search console or Google search, the way you search, that way if you write, it will not give you the right output. So these are important. Please have a note. Give the job role which does naturally best work for that particular the job. Okay, give references as much as possible. Use the words which are very much likely to be used for SEO related terms, like long tail keywords, impression. These will help GPT to understand your situation. Your channel is new. That means GPT understands that this channel has hardly any watch history or channel history. It is not built yet. So these are important. Please do not avoid using these words. So I have got this. I have copied and pasted this. Now I will ask the last thing. Please provide the tags. Content tags in CSV format. CSV format, why? So that you can copy and directly paste them. Just copy this. Hopefully this will be directly pasted. Now, before you go for that, you should be having a thumbnail. This is not showing the thumbnail because this is not a long form content which I have chosen. I've chosen a short content. Otherwise, here it will show you how to upload the thumbnail. Like as you can see here, this way it will come. Okay, you'll have to upload the thumbnail, right? So upload the thumbnail, select the playlist. How to select? Initially, you will have to create the playlist. So go to new playlist. Here you will have to go for new playlist, not podcast, not course. We are not creating any course, right? We are creating playlist. So go to playlist. How should you create the playlist? Again, there is a rule. Your playlist has to have your channel name first, then colon, then the name of the playlist. For me, it is VAGPE Media colon, then maybe fat reduction. This is the topic. Let's suppose. Okay. Now, description is not mandatory. You can skip it. Visibility should always be public. Language, you should be keeping English. And create. Automatically, it will be checked. Now, if you find that this content can't be going for other playlists as well, because I have added, maybe you have some playlist on belly fat reduction particularly, or diet for belly fat reduction, then this video can go for those playlists as well. So the number of playlists, if you increase for one video, these also works as keywords, right? If somebody is typing diet for best diet for fat reduction, your from this playlist is itself, my algorithm can fetch and can show your topic. So the reason to pick your topic, your content becomes higher for algorithm. So 4, 5, 6 playlists, if those are actually going well with that video, then you can check it. Done. If you have any altered image, meaning if you have used, suppose, AI images or videos or voiceover, whatever, even if that is happening in case of thumbnail making also, you are supposed to declare yes. This part has got nothing to do with your impression or your video's performance. This is just for the clarity or the clarity of the information to the viewer. This has got no connection with your content's performance. Go down. Nothing has to be changed here. Go down. Here, just paste it. If this is going red, then you reduce the number of, see, it is 900, so many are extra. Reduce. Has to be within 500. You may ask GPT also to give it within 500 only. Okay. Now, remix. Here it is your decision whether you want audio and video both remix to be done or audio. I personally do not allow my video to be remixed. I keep only audio. Okay, but it is up to you. Right? Now, let me tell you, even if somebody is remixing from your video, it might get a little more visibility, because if somebody is remixing your video metadata, the backend remains intact. But those remixes doesn't yield any public watch hours directly for your channel. Clear? So it's not mandatory that you keep it only audio remix. That is my personal preference. So I considered this way. So I put it only audio. If you want, you can keep audio and video both. Right? Next is category. Yeah, this is very important. See why it is holding education by default? Because this is the category what I chose when I set the channel is settings. You remember? From settings, we chose our channels category. This is basically that channels category. Now, not necessarily always your channels category and the contents category would be same. For example, you are showing how a child also can reduce. Many children nowadays are suffering from obesity. Little ones, right? Male, female, both, right? They are also suffering from obesities. Let's say you are trying to show a child's exercise and how that children can reduce belly fat, right, with light exercises, right? In that case, definitely if this is health and fitness, we will have to change it to kids channel. Then maybe you can change it to how to and style, and here you will have to declare for children. Yes, for children. These sort of changes will depend on your content. For my case, let's say if I am creating one content on a film where I have not taught how to make it, I have just given the film. In that case, I will keep it education. I will keep it film and animation. I will change it. What happens actually, if I keep it by default education, every category has its own guidelines, right? Kids category has got some different guideline. Music category has some stringent guidelines as per the country's rule. If it is film and animation, entertainment, news, politics, technology, whatever category you're seeing, are having some protocol or some guidelines. Now, if your channel is on education and you keep it education and you publish the video, you ignore this, after even 2 years also, YouTube can fetch that and might see that there are some parts of the video which is dilating the category wise guideline. It has happened to me. You straight away get a guideline strike, and 3 strike within 90 days will actually remove your all channels from YouTube forever. So do not take these risks that whatever it can be a category, do not always think that, yeah, this is my category, so I'll have to put it here like this only. If you have shown something which is not going, supposed to go like an education or the default category, change it as per the fit. Okay, and then go to next. Comment you may keep on or off as per, again, your choice. No problem. Views, like, if you want to show, you can keep it on or you can keep it off. Absolutely your opinion. Okay. Now, after all this, go to next. Here it is showing ad related video because this is a short. Now let me show you what happens in long form content. In long form content, when you go to the next option here you have 3 options. One is subtitle, one is end screen, and one is card. Okay. Now if you go to subtitle, automatically YouTube creates the subtitle for you now. You don't really have to create anything. Okay, so we do not add any subtitle by ourselves because YouTube has given two newest features for better user experience. One is auto subtitle and one is auto dubbing. Okay, so all these two features are based on the viewer's watch history. If that viewer is watching in Hindi, then even if your videos are in English, she will hear it in English, in Hindi. And the subtitles also might come in Hindi or English. Okay, so both are based on the user's history. So you do not have to be bothered about it. YouTube algorithm will check and show it as per their requirement. Now, if you want to give any default subtitle, that you will have to do in two ways, like which will be attached to your video. Even if somebody wants to switch it off, they cannot make it off. It should come as a CC at the bottom of your video. In that case, you can, I don't know about Movavi. In Filmora, they have speech to text option. You can check that. Otherwise, there are paid softwares like captions and all. You can go for those softwares. They will be creating animated captions for you so that your captions will anyway stay in your video, even if somebody is keeping the CC off. See, here is CC option.
While the only AI most people over 40 know is ChatGPT.
Most people try to lose belly.
Here is something called CC. If I keep it on, it will be coming. If I keep it off, it won't come. Right? So it is in the user, like users at the user's end, they will decide if they want CC or not. But if your CC is attached to your video, it will anyway come. They have no option to remove it. Now this is again your decision. I do not provide any CC because I don't want that many people feels distracted. So I do not add it. Again, your decision, absolutely up to you. If you want, you can add it. You may, if you don't want, but here you will have to, you can rely on YouTube. Okay, you don't have to do anything. Now end screen. End screen means we are giving an outro. I told you 5 parts of a video. Their last 20 to 21 seconds are the outro. Something like this you're supposed to make in Canva, in Movavi, whichever software you're using, you have some pre-made outros. Now here, when you go for outro, 1 second. Yeah. Oh, this is also going to be. Let's say this is outro. This box will only open. So how will you add it? How will you add it? Now here are some templates available. If you want any of these templates to be used, you can use it. Okay, let's say I am using this one. Okay, 1 video, 1 playlist and 1 subscription. Okay, so you can choose and you can match it with your background. Okay, you can put it accordingly. And if you want four elements can be given. If you want to add one more element, you can add a video and it will come. Now, how to edit it? Subscription, there is nothing to edit. If they click on this, they will automatically be subscribing to your channel. This is for the ease of the users. But rest of these 3 can be changed. Let's say this one is showing a playlist. So you go to this pen button and choose the related playlist. As I told you, you have different playlists, right? So you can attach a compatible playlist. Let's suppose you are doing it for belly fat, and if somebody is interested in belly fat, maybe that person is interested in exercise, in light exercise, or maybe diet. So you can add a compatible playlist here. Second is best for user. Let's say you do not want best for user, you want a particular video to be chosen. So you go to this left hand side option, choose a specific video, and it will show you all the previous videos, and you choose the one you like. Okay, and that with that thumbnail will come. Now this one is most recent we upload. This should be one should be there which will be promoting your recent upload, so that those who would be watching till the end, they will get 3 more options to go and watch again. And then save it. This is what you will have to do. Along with that, there is something called cards. Cards come in between the video. How to add cards? Again, 5 cards can be given and 4 elements as end card can be given. Right? Here you have this playhead. Please bring the playhead in the right place where you want to add the card. Now you can add video or playlists. Channel we do not prefer, because for channel again there are some more paraphernals and you do not have more channels right now. So this is not coming into scene. Let's say the first one should be my playlist. So I choose one playlist. Again, I bring the cursor, playhead little forward, and I go to this card option, and here I want to add a video. So I choose a different video. Now these will appear like this, as you can see in the top right hand side corner, this way. I will again add a playlist. See, if 2 playlists are same, they will give like this. So you'll have to edit again. 2 same playlists you cannot give. And then again, I will be adding one more video. So I'll go to this, I'll go to video and I'll upload it. Tick. Like this, 5 total elements you can add. Ideal cases 3 videos, 2 playlists should be added like this. And these come like this, and then save it. Right? After this is done, next part is scheduling. Okay, so let me just go back. Now that one is uploaded, that is uploaded as a short. So I'm showing it in short only. Long also will be having the same image, same thing. Okay. So let's say next. So these 2 will be coming. Copyright and community guidelines should be checked. If there is any issue in community guideline or copyright, please rectify it. Pause it. Don't publish. Both should be checked. Then go to next. Here you have 4-5 options. Private meaning only you can watch, nobody else can watch. Unlisted means whomever you will share this link with, that person can watch. Public means everybody can watch. And schedule is you can schedule on a later time. Maybe you have created everything on the previous day, and next day, as I told you, there is a time, okay? Every channel will be reflecting which time your subscribers are coming maximum to your channel after your channel gathers some subscriber and some data. So apparently after your 10 to 15 long form contents are published, then your channel will show a tag. Your channel will show what time your audience is coming maximum. So go to audience. Once you have enough data, this kind of a box will appear here. This bright purple is showing the maximum, when maximum viewers of my channel are present on YouTube. You will also get a recommendation if you have TubeBuddy installed, that the time weekly, if you publish once, then which date should be chosen. If you publish daily, then which time should be chosen. What is the best time for live stream? Suppose you want to come on camera and do some live, then that timing also will be shown. But this is not from YouTube. This is from TubeBuddy recommendation. So for you, you will have to check here. But that will appear after 10 to 15 videos are out. Till then, there is a default rule. What is the default rule? Any long form content should be published on weekdays between 5 to 7 p.m. in India. If it is short, then the timing might vary. You can try in the morning 9 a.m., afternoon 4 p.m., or evening 7 or 9 p.m. And check which time you are getting maximum view. Accordingly, you can continue publishing at that time. Both long or short can be scheduled. Right? As many videos as you want, you can schedule. Right? So you go to the schedule option. Okay. If you choose the same day, make sure your timing is a future time. Maybe this is 6 p.m. So I should be choosing 7:30 p.m. Then it will allow me to schedule. If the time is before 6 p.m.'s time, let's say if it is showing 4 p.m., see, the schedule will not be activated. So be aware of it. Many people do mistake. By mistake, they keep the date same, but the time is, prior to the time when they are scheduling. So the schedule option doesn't get activated. Okay. So once this is done, just schedule it and leave it. Right? So this is how you are supposed to upload. Now, one small thing which again I will be repeating as Vishwa sir was asking me, so I'm answering this. But I'm telling you, I will be deep diving into this topic on analytics day. Okay, but still, as you were saying that I have published 2 videos, but those are not coming on YouTube. Now, initially, I told you all that your channel will not be appearing on YouTube because your channel does not have any history. Right? So to build that history, 10 to 15 long form videos, at least 10 to 15 short form videos has to be out with the proper hashtag and metadata. Only then your channel will be appearing by its name. Till then, you will have to share your channel link to everyone and ask them to subscribe via your channel link, which you will get in customization option, channel URL. Whatever you share for subscription or for watching or referring, you will have to share. Do not share the name. Instead, share the URL, because by name, YouTube algorithm is incapable to fetch your data. Clear? Now, go to, if I show you from where exactly your videos get the view, I am opening one of my videos, random videos. In the right hand side, as you can see, this is a real-time feature. Until you have subscribers, these are going to be your main sources. Number 1 is YouTube search. Anybody is typing something in YouTube and that is matching with your keywords which are present in title or description will be getting your video. Browser feature. Anybody is typing something in any of the browsers and your content comes in video tag will be shown. If they click on that, you get the view from there as well. Now, YouTube featured video, which I was saying in the right hand side of any video at the bottom, similar kind of videos gets featured, so you can get views from there. Okay. Unknown sources, this is what you shared or someone. And external means where you would be sharing into your other handles, your other groups, or maybe WhatsApp or other Facebook groups and all. From there, if somebody is watching, that will be coming from external. If you see more, there are many other places also. From there you also get views. Like some people might be directly coming to your channel page, and from there they come to your video and they watch it. So there could be many other possibilities, but by default these are some 4 to 5 areas from where we expect maximum number of views. Clear? So if your video is well searched, if your video has long tail keywords, if your videos are on trending topic in your niche, and you do the proper content research, and while you're doing SEO, you give the reference of 2 to 3 such highly searched and high viewed videos, there is no reason why your video will not appear on any of these search results. Now I'm open for questions. Yes, kindly unmute yourself.
Poulami Murtuza here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, actually, I opened last 15 days back. I opened one channel just to randomly to test how it works. I opened as a Dubai Pulse. I'm staying in Dubai now, so I just opened a Dubai Pulse, something like that, and I some AI related video I uploaded. So what does it do? It's in a house. It will, interior design it will do automatically. So simply, I just for the fun sake, I done video uploading. Okay, and within 3 days, I got 500, almost 415 views. Okay, after 3-4 days, it stopped viewing. So I don't know what happened. Why it's
Have you
just want to
uploaded
ask.
short form content or long form content?
It is a short form.
Short compared to shorts performance, if it is done in a right way, your short should get 3 to 5,000 views within a couple of hours. So I won't say that is a great performance. As consider if had it been for long form videos, I would have said that it is good. Now, as you're saying that you have done it casually, I am not very sure how much SEO friendly your content must be. Anything which is not SEO friendly will not get a desired result. And it is quite short.
SEO means?
The one which I was talking about is called SEO. Search engine optimization. Okay.
Oh, optimization.
So if your content is not optimized by like search engine wise, how search engine picks up the data, then it will anyway stop. Just
Where
because
can I get a list of tips how the search engine picks the data, and what are the key fields, key contents I need to use for any of my videos in future?
we have discussed that only in today's session. In Star's video, go through day 3, YCB day 3, and Diamond Club first 7 videos. You will understand what SEO is all about. SEO is not about your content or my content. SEO is a generic rule by which YouTube algorithm picks up any content.
Okay. In the Diamond Club, I have other videos?
7 videos.
Okay,
first
fine.
7 videos.
Okay.
I told
Ma'am,
that at
and
the very first day only. 7 videos are mandatory and day 3 of YCB is mandatory. Please go through that. And today's video, I'm not sure what time you joined, but I was talking about SEO only. So if you have not, if you joined late, please watch the recorded version.
I'll get this video recording, right? Later.
Yes. I'll give the link tomorrow. By tomorrow, maximum by tomorrow night, I'll be giving the link.
Yeah, you are an IT guy?
Sorry?
You are an IT professional? Professionally?
AI, artificial intelligence.
Oh, okay. Nice to talk to you.
Any other question?
Nothing more. Thank you so much.
Okay. Anybody else? Any other question? Okay. So, as I told you, please start creating videos, and content research is the main thing which you should be doing. Any unresearched topic, if that goes to your channel, that is also detrimental to your channel in this way that it will create a wrong channel history. In featured eligibility, there is an option under thumbnail at the middle one. where you are adding your phone number, I mean, after phone number, where you are adding your ID, that if you click on that, there is an option where even if you do not add your ID or anything, still after a certain number of videos are published, YouTube itself will generate one history, and on that basis also featured eligibility gets approved. So that important your channel history is. Now, channel history gets impacted by everything what you do on channel. If you are creating unnecessary contents which are not being searched, the channel history gets those data, and YouTube, after certain number of months, YouTube will make shadow ban your channel silently. Okay. Second is, if your channel's video versus SEO is not matching, then it is again invertly it is a kind of reverse impact on your content, right? It might attract future issues like copyright strike, guideline strike, and all those stuff. Third, if you are only creating shorts and suddenly starting to create long form videos, your long form will take very long time to scale up. Why? Because your channel's history has already developed as per the shorts behavior, short related algorithm picks up shorts in a different way, on a different logic, and long form contents in a different way, in a different logic. So there has to be a proper mix of long and short. That is the reason we always suggest that maximum three long form contents and one short each day should be balanced. It's not that for 1 month, every day you kept on creating short. Now your channel's identity, your channel's history has become a shorts channel. So suddenly after 1 month, you start creating long. It will take very long time for analytics to identify that your channel is diverting to a new niche or new category of content. So your channel will suffer. Don't confuse algorithm. Okay. So that is pretty much about today's topic. I will upload this by tomorrow evening. I will be sharing the link in the group. Okay. Please watch this video. If you have any doubts, I'll take your doubts next week after next week's topic. Okay. 6th week. Today is 3rd week, right? Another 2 weeks, I have agenda to cover. 6th week will be channel analytics. By 6th week, considering from week 1, you should be creating videos. 6th week, I should get in everybody's channel at least 5 to 6 long and at least 10 short form contents, ideally. Because on 6th week, I would be doing channel review. Now, if I do not have your channel's data, I have nothing to review. Okay. So please equip your channel accordingly. Don't chase perfection, because you will become better every single day. Right? So please create it. Keep all the necessary stuff in your video. Like 5 parts of the video: SEO, title, proper metadata, meta tags, description, proper video selection. Okay. Proper thumbnail. All the parts should be there. Thumbnail, title, description, tags. Right? iCard, end card, right? And inside the video, there should be proper alignment of hook. First 15 to 20 seconds, maximum 30 seconds hook. Then intro, then your main content, then call to action. In between, if you want, you can add call to action buttons 3 to 4 times, depending on the length of your video. Towards the end, 20 to 21 seconds should be your outro, where you should be putting your end card and should be published. So these are the main things what I would be checking, regardless to how many views, likes, engagements have you got, because that will take time. Maybe 1 month's time it will take. Within 6 weeks, we expect your publishing habit to be created. Okay. I have told you well in advance. I am halfway through. Another 2 weeks, then I will have to check your channels. Okay. Please keep creating videos and watch this video once again before next video you're publishing so that your SEO is better. Okay. I hope all the doubts are clear. So I'll see you guys next week, Sunday evening, 5 p.m. Thank you.